Shalom, beloved. Reflecting on the fact that history repeats itself, we may be doomed to repeat the mistakes and failures of history if we don't take the time to remember. Remember the intent, the acceptable desire, command, and will of the Most High, Yah. Let us therefore take a moment to reflect on the intent of Yah and the desire of Yah as it relates to His seventh day Sabbath. It is so easy to forget Yah's purpose for our lives because our world is upside down. What's right has become wrong, and what's wrong is considered right. So it is necessary to remember what the Creator was thinking when He finished His work on the sixth day. And the Creator finished His work, all His work, on the sixth day, all that is in the heavens and on the earth and in the seas and in the abysses and in the light and in the darkness and in everything. And He gave us a great sign, the Shabbat, that we should work 6 days, but guard the Shabbat on the seventh day from all work. And all the angels of the presence and all the angels of sanctification, these two great classes He has bidden us to guard the Shabbat with Him in heaven and on earth. And He said unto us, Behold, I will separate unto myself a people from among all the peoples, and these shall guard the Shabbat, and I will sanctify them unto myself as my people, and will bless them. As I have sanctified the Shabbat, and do sanctify it unto myself, even so will I bless them, and they shall be my people, and I will be their Elohim. And I have chosen the seed of Yaakov from amongst all that I have seen, and have written him down as my firstborn son, and have sanctified him unto myself forever and ever. And I will teach them the Shabbat, that they should guard the Shabbat with us on the seventh day, to eat and to drink and to bless Him who has created all things, as He has blessed and sanctified unto Himself a peculiar people above all peoples, and that they should guard the Shabbat together with us. And He caused His commands to ascend as a sweet savor, acceptable before Him all the days. There were 22 heads of mankind from Adam to Yaakov, and 22 kinds of work were made until the seventh day. This is blessed and holy, and the former also is blessed and holy, and this one serves with that one for sanctification and blessing. And to this Yaakov and his seed it was granted that they should always be blessed and Kodashim of the first testimony and Torah, even as he had sanctified and blessed the Shabbat on the seventh day. He created heaven and earth and everything that he created in 6 days, and Elohim made the seventh day holy for all his works. Therefore he commanded on its behalf that whosoever does any work thereon shall die, and that he who defiles it shall surely die. Wherefore you do command the children of Israel to observe this day, that they may keep it holy, and not to do thereon any work, and not to defile it, as it is holier than all other days. And whosoever profanes it shall surely die, and whosoever does thereon any work shall surely die eternally. That the children of Israel may observe this day throughout their generations, and not be rooted out of the land, for it is a holy day and a blessed day, and everyone who observes it and guards Shabbat thereon from all his work will be holy and blessed throughout all days, like unto us. Declare and say to the children of Israel the Torah of this day, both that they should guard the Shabbat thereon, and that they should not forsake it in the error of their hearts, and that it is against the Torah to do any work thereon, which is unseemly to do thereon in their own pleasure, and that they should not prepare thereon anything to be eaten or drunk, and that it is against the Torah to draw water, or bring in or take out thereon through their gates any burden, which they had not prepared for themselves on the 6th day in their dwellings. And they shall not bring in nor take out from house to house on that day. For that day is more holy and blessed than any Jubilee day of the Jubilees. On this day we kept Shabbat in the heavens before it was made known to any flesh to guard the Shabbat thereon on the earth. And the Creator of all things blessed it. But he didn't sanctify all peoples and nations to guard the Shabbat thereon, but Yisrael alone. Them alone he permitted to eat and drink and to guard the Shabbat thereon on the earth. And the Creator of all things blessed this day which he had created for blessing and holiness and glory above all days. This Torah and testimony was given to the children of Israel as a Torah forever unto their generations. Reflecting on the fact that history does repeat itself, do not be deceived. Take heed. Remember, put all of Yah's commands first, Yah's desires first. Let us not be like those who have forgotten. For we have been called to remember. Shabbat Shalom. Mishpaka.
Remember the Sabbath day, to set it apart, set it apart, oh, set it apart. Remember the Sabbath day, to set it apart, for it's a Sabbath of Yahuah, your Elohim. 6 days you labor and shall do all your work, do all your work, yes, do all your work. But the 7th day is a Sabbath, Sabbath of Yahuah. You do not do any work, don't do any work. Not you, not your son, no, you, not your daughter. You do not sow any work, don't do any work. Not your male servant, not your female servant, not your cattle, not the stranger. The stranger in your gates. Don't do any work. For in 6 days Yah made the heavens, and in 6 days He made the earth. In 6 days He made the sea and everything in them, and rested, He rested, He rested. Yes, He rested. Yes, He rested, rested, He rested, and He blessed it. Yes, He rested, rested, He rested, and He blessed it. Yeah, He rested, 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 and blessed it. Rest, 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 rest. Don't do any work. Do any work. Do any work. Do any work. On the 7th day, Yah blessed it. Blessed it, rested, rested, and set it apart. Such a delight, such a delight. Yah set it apart.